Hey, I'm Sean with Creative Alaskan Pallets. They aren't fancy, they're pallets.
Hey, the other day I was driving back to the house and I stopped at the transfer station, and this is what I found. I was able to go ahead and sell it. So at this point I was totally unhappy with how it turned out because the top looked like it was burnt. So I had to come up with a different plan, and this is what I came up with. What's your thought on this? Hey, if you like that video, go ahead and hit subscribe and like and hit the bell, and go ahead and click like over here, maybe over there, maybe over there, and have a good day, and thank you for watching. So I got back to my computer, and my cat was